ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മളെല്ലാം വിജയം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. എന്നാൽ ഭാര്യ വേണ്ടത്ര സന്തോഷവതി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വ്യക്തിക്ക് വിജയത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് അഭിമാനിക്കാൻ കഴിയുമോ? നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിയതമയെ സന്തോഷവതിയാക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ചില പ്രായോഗിക വഴികളിതാ. എന്നാൽ ഓർക്കുക, ഇതൊരു റീഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ പ്രാക്ടീസാണ്. 1. Express your love. Regularly tell your wife that you love her and appreciate her. 2. Quality time. Spend quality time together. Whether it's watching a movie, walking, or just having a quiet evening at home, spending time together strengthens your bond. 3. Listen actively. Pay attention when she talks. Show genuine interest in what she says and listen without interrupting. 4. Help with chores. Share household responsibilities. Help with daily chores like cooking, cleaning, or childcare. 5. Surprise her. Small surprises like leaving a note, buying her favorite treat, or planning an unexpected date can make her feel special. 6. Compliment her. Compliment her genuinely, whether it's about her appearance, achievements, or character. 7. Remember special occasions. Remember and celebrate important dates such as anniversaries to show thoughtfulness and consideration. 8. Apologize and forgive. In any relationship, misunderstandings can happen. Be willing to apologize if you are in the wrong and forgive when she apologizes. 9. Support her goals. Encourage and support her personal and professional goals. Being a supportive partner can contribute to her overall happiness. 10. Show affection. Physical affection such as hugs, kisses, and holding hands is essential. 11. Take care of yourself. Taking care of your own well-being ensures you can be a supportive and positive presence in her life. Exercise, maintain good health, and manage stress. 12. Communicate openly. Foster open communication. Encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings and be open about your own. A strong emotional connection is crucial.